Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Altcoin Mentors YouTube channel. My name is Peter, and today I'm going to talk about some short-term trades that I made on Bitcoin and Litecoin. So earlier this morning, I woke up super early for some reason. I turned on the computer, and I see a couple of setups that I really like. So the first one is Bitcoin. So as you'll see here, we have a green resistance line here at 9,400. It bounced down off of it, gave me a short signal, and then I entered it at 93.10. Currently it's at 92.68. A little bit pressure to the downside. I have a little bit of support at the 200 daily EMA, because you see the wicks at the tails here and here, both at the 200 EMA. So around that point, I'll be a little bit more careful with my stop loss, which is currently at 95.15. My first target is the low, which is 8,400. So that should give me a pretty good money ratio, because I'm willing to lose 200 to make a little bit over 900. So I have a 4.5 to 1 ratio. And if it gets to our next major support target of 7,600, it'll give me a very good ratio. So one of the things about the ATRs recently is that the daily ATR has been about the same, but the intraday, the 4-hour and the hourly ATRs here have been increasing. So that's good for me because I'm looking for volume and volatility. It's one of the reasons why I don't follow some of the coins, the universe of coins, because there's no volume. So until there's a little bit more volume, it's hard to get filled at the price that you want to, and the spreads can be a little bit higher. So that's why let me talk to you about two of the coins here, Ether and for Litecoin. So this morning, I want to trade something else other than Bitcoin. I don't like to put all my eggs in one basket. So I was looking at things that have range. So I'm looking at the ATRs and increasing ATRs for the hourly and the 4-hourly, because I don't want to hold this for too long of a period of time. So doing my analysis, I found three, Ether, Litecoin, and EOS. But I've never traded EOS, so I took that out. And so my decision was between Ether and Litecoin. So I'll show you the chart for Ether first. The reason why I decided not to take Ether is that if it goes down, it might go down to 662. It's currently at 724. My entry signal would have been at about 728, so I would have been slightly profitable. But the problem though is that this little green support line here is only $60 down. So you're talking about 8% profit expectancy. So, if it goes farther down, which it possibly could, I can, make more money. But I'm looking at past performance and seeing where I can make the best bang for my buck. So at $60, we're talking about 8%. But Litecoin, a little bit different, because Litecoin is at, I entered at 184. If it goes down to my first target of 174, that's $10. That's a little over 6%. But if it goes to the lows of yesterday, which is all the way down here in around 160, then I'm looking to get a little bit more than 12%. So with this, Litecoin for me offers a better money ratio. So that's ultimately where I decided to put my short in Litecoin. So I put my short in at 184.95. I have a stop loss of 1-hour ATR, which is $3.70. My first target is this little range here, this little low, which comes to about the 4-hour ATR. And if it hits, it can go all the way down, and if it does, then it might have a possibility to get down to yesterday's lows around 160, and if it breaks that, there's a intermediate support level around 155. The other reason why I also like Litecoin, if you see this big brown line here, that is the daily 50 EMA. So it hit it, it bounced off of it, so that has a little bit more selling pressure because people are looking at this spot to get filled. If they were long here, this is where I believe that a lot of people were trying to get filled at, around this price now. And now, if some short people enter, if it breaks the 200 EMA here, then I think it can easily reach the 175 marker. And if it breaks and there's more volume, then it can go all the way down low. So if you have any questions, please put them in the comment section. We really appreciate you watching our videos. We're very thankful and grateful for that. If you like our videos, please subscribe, follow us on TradingView and also on Twitter. Thank you and have a good day.